Welcome to American Junkyard Dog. Today, at the scrapyard, we will be working on
2012 Jeep Patriot. I'll be removing the rear bumper cover. The 4.7s. One up in the hole. A little tug. One more clip inside there. I don't know if you can see it. Tight area. Sorry about the view. My 45. There we go. I have a few clips on the bottom here. 4 of them were already removed. I have a couple clips up here.
They make a tool for this to remove the tabs without breaking them. We are not keeping these, so care wasn't taken here. You may want to purchase new ones.
Bumper cover.
Like if you found this video helpful. Subscribe to American Junkyard Dog for more scrapyard removals. Thank you for watching.